favorite store. Biased because favorite store, so I don't know what else to say. Like, I'm gonna love every single item. So, the first item I have for you guys is black long sleeve. Open back top. Crisscrossing design in the back. Super, super, super cute. I love this. It's like slouchy in the back too. It's just a really flattering top, honestly. It's so cute and I just love it on. You'll see it on. It looks great. Get it. The next item I have is this black and white striped short sleeve crew neck like flouncy dress. Is that a good name for it? Let's call it that. It's like it's not skater and it doesn't have like a pleated skirt, but it's flowy and perfect and I love it. It's so good. So good! Like, look how cute it is, and it's actually long and it hits me at the knee. It's just the perfect dress. I love this dress so much. Next item. This sweater is so freaking this balloon sleeve striped sweater, which is just the cutest thing ever. Autumn colors. Autumn. Fall or autumn? What do you guys call it? I normally call it fall, but I don't know why I just said autumn. You know, sometimes that happens. Vernacular. Sometimes that gets a glow up too, you know. Anyways, back to the sweater. There's lilac purple at the bottom, which is me. Lilac is me. I know it looks like pink is me, but lilac is like my soul. Pink is my aesthetic. Lilac is my soul. Yeah. Okay. Next item. So, I have a little bit of explaining to do for the next 3 items. And that's because they're the same. And they're the same because I'm crazy. And also, it's the cutest item ever. And if I have a cute counter on this video, which I probably won't because I don't want to acknowledge it, how many times I said cute besides now, but this next skirt, cutest thing ever, so I bought it in 3 colors. Was that a mistake? No. And here's why. I can style it 1,000,001 times and I will wear this to death. So, if you find an item that you really love, you should buy it in as many colors as you want it in, because you will get as much use out of it as you want because you love it. So, there you go. Tips from Sandy. Skirt. First we have it in burgundy. Oh, best part? I keep saying skirt. It's actually a skirt because of shorts. So, you know what that means. Easy as to wear. So, since it's so easy to wear, obviously I had to buy 3 because I want to wear it all the time. And it's super cute. And it looks like a skirt. And it has this like little crisscrossy detailing at the front, which makes it even cuter. So, obviously, caramel. And then black. Because if you don't buy every item in black and caramel that you literally love to death, like you see, and you're like, wow, I need that, then you will regret it. Or you're not crazy, and then you don't feel that way. That's all the stuff I have for you guys today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys. And I'm gonna have a lot more content soon. And I will see you next week. I promise. Bye guys.